I'm Shweta. I am fashion designer and pattern making coach. Welcome back to my channel Silhouette Sutra. At Silhouette Sutra, we discuss all about fashion, fashion styling, and fashion pattern making. Today, at the 7th episode of pattern making series, I am going to make a pattern of Batwing top. Series we are doing pattern making Indian way, so I am starting with very simple patterns. So today's pattern is Batwing top. What is Batwing top? It is a top like this because it resembles the wings of a bat. That's why it is called Batwing top. Measurements required to make Batwing top are: first we'll take the vertical measurement. First we'll take the full length of the top. I am trying to make a crop top, so we'll take the length till waist. So that is your full length. Because we are making the top till waist, it covers the waist length. Then we'll take bust length. Then horizontal and circular measurement. For horizontal measurement, we'll measure across shoulder, from this shoulder tip to this shoulder tip. That is across shoulder measurement. Then our bust roundness and waist roundness. These are the three horizontal and circular measurement required. Then we need sleeve length also. Roughly we take this 3/4 sleeves for this top. So we'll take this length and sleeve roundness. These are all the measurement required to make this top. Pattern of Batwing top. This is a top where front and back will have only difference in the neck size. Our armhole will be same for front and back. So first we'll open a new file. This is draft block name. I'll give you this name, Batwing. All my measurements are in inches, but demonstration purpose I am using centimeter as unit. So first I'll take my full length, which is equal to my waist length, which will be 17 inches. I'll hold down the shift key to make a straight line, and I'll take measurement as 17 inches, and I'll make it fit and out. My next measurement will be half of my shoulder width. My shoulder width is 15 inches, so half of that will be 7.5. Because we are making half pattern, so I'll hold down the shift key and I'll type in. Now I'll mark my bust length. So it is here, it will come around 10.5. So 10.5. Okay, I mark this. Now here straight I'll mark sleeves length. What sleeves length is required, I'll mark that. So from this point A2, I'll mark 16 inch further, which is my sleeve length required. So I'll again hold down the shift key and 16. Again I'll press fit and zoom out a bit. Then whatever sleeve roundness is required, in my case it was 11 inches, I'll add 2 inch to that, so it will become 13 inches, and I'll take half of that, so it will be 6.5. So I'll mark from here. Yeah, I'll hold down the shift key. and I'll mark this 6.5. Here at the burst, I'll mark 1/4 of my burst. I want to add some looseness. This is a loose top, so I'll add 4 inches overall looseness. Suppose my burst measurement is 36, overall 4 inches I add as a looseness, so it will become 10. It will become 40. 40 divided by 4 will become 10. Then same for the waist. My waist is 32. I'll add 4 inches of looseness, that will become 36. 36 divided by 4 will be equal to 9. So I'll mark a point here. At 9. Now I want to mark my neck measurement. As I told you earlier, if you are making an Indian style of top, you can take 3 inches as standard neck width, or if you want to go exact, you can do 1/12 of your chest measurement, your burst measurement, that will also equal to your neck width. In this case, my burst roundness is 36. 36 divided by 12 is 3 inches, so I am going ahead with 3 inches. So here I'll mark a point at 3, which will be my neck width. For the neck depth, for the back, I'll keep the closed neck, so I'll take neck depth 1 inch. And for the front, I'll go for V. Let me first mark this. So I'll take straight 5 inches, which will not be very deep. It will be a decent length. So this will be my front. First we'll mark our necklines. For that I'll square this. I'll make a point here to make a curve, so that it will be somewhere here. I'll mention the angle. I'm okay with the length. I'll go little down 1.4, and angle will be, this is 0, this is 90. 90 plus 45 is 135. 35 degree, and okay. So I'll make my neck here. I'm using 4-point curve, so 1 point here, 2 point here, 3 point here, and 4th point here. So this is my slight V curve. For the back, I'll do, you can mark it manually, you can use your French curve and you can mark it. Here I am using Seamly 2D, that's why I have to do all this. again I'll use 4-point curve. If you want to learn Seamly 2D, there is a separate series on this channel. You can watch there. It is very easy software and you can easily use it. Yeah. So our front and back necklines are ready. Now we'll design our Batwing top. So what I'll do, from here I'll come 1 inch down because 1 inch we take as a shoulder fall, that's why I am coming 1 inch down. I'll click on OK and I'll join a line from this neck width to A15. So I'll use this line curve and I simply join a line from here to here. So it will give me a slight shoulder fall. Okay, we added that 1 inch extra, overall 2 inches. Yeah, and then here what I want to do, I need a curve like this. Yeah. So now basically what I want to join like this. So I'll come roughly 10 inches inside till here. So I'll take a line. I'll start from here, hold down the shift key and I'll take around 10 inches inside. So I have got few points to join. So now I'll make my Batwing top. Again, for that in the software I'll use this 4-point curve. I'll start my curve from here. I'll press this twice and I'll join this. So this has become my Batwing top. So it is 4-inch loose at my burst. Suppose you want it more loose, then you can simply increase this line and reduce this line, so it will become more loose. So this is the simple pattern of Batwing top. For today's pattern, next week I'll come again with a new simple pattern. Bye till now. Take care.